Where's my neck? I need some water. Oh, I think we're streaming. I think it starts right away. I wish I had like a little countdown. That should be okay. I think we're good, right? Let's get the sound going. Let's get the music going. I tested it before. Ooh, that's a little loud for me, right? But I think it's good for you guys. Let's make sure everything's good on here. Shoot. Can you hear me? Oh my gosh, I gotta talk if I want to hear if it's working. Can you hear me? Oh my gosh, I gotta talk if I want to hear if it's working. Yeah, I think we're good. I think what we're gonna do though. Okay, if I know what I'm doing here, maybe I don't. Okay, go like this. Okay, awesome. So I guess this is still the first stream, right? I think it's the second one, but that's okay. We are going to. I think we're gonna up mic 1 just a little bit. We don't want the music too loud. We lower the music a little bit. I think this is good. Let's test it out real quick. Let me go over here. Nope, over here, and let's test. I think it's good. I think it's great. I checked it out a little bit. Like you can go to the. I mean, you probably already know, but you can go to your channel and see like how your video came out. I think it's good, right? We gotta go here, videos. We got the first one. Yeah, that's just the live one. But yeah. So basically, I'm learning, right? We got this whole setup going. The music actually came out really great, which is good. I think you'll have to let me know. But we want to look at some analytics here. I know there's not gonna be much analytics here, but I was kind of playing around with it, and it's just so fascinating, right? We got some average viewers. We got some like views here to look at. I'm sure we'll like. Oh, we got achievements too. Oh yeah. So share on 4 different days. Minimum of 3 average viewers on 4 different days. That's so interesting. I like this a lot. Okay, build a community. Reach 50 followers. Get 5 people chatting at the same time. Interesting. Yeah, this is so cool. Ooh, award. Award on completion. Ooh. Wow. So cool. I love analytics. I'm a guy that likes to just like look at all the analytics, right? This looks actually a little differently. Oh, this is what I'm looking at. Sweet, man. Had some people coming on. Yeah, nothing. I'm not expecting much. I'm not expecting much for a while. Because one of the things on the to-do list that we're gonna eventually work on is just building a community. So anyway, what we're working on. We just posted my video on. We can make this smaller. We just posted my video on. Let's put the milk carton up on TikTok and YouTube and Instagram. So I'm curious to see how that's gonna perform. And let's see. I like to click around. I love to like click around, look at different things. Okay, great. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I tried like a little something new today, which is awesome. YouTube's been very, very favorable with clips. Like on YouTube, I think I can actually go to that view channel. Like our shorts do actually pretty good on here. Starting to grow the subscribers. I just love it. Sometimes like this one, like they just won't push it out, but we've been doing pretty good. We're on the way to get 1,000 subscribers. It is awesome, but we just posted this one, and all that stuff, so that is fun. We actually got a comment. It looks like, look at that. Yes. That's so funny. Can we get emojis in here? Yeah, come on, let's go. Let's see. Oh wow. Yeah, we'll just go like that. It's always good to respond to your comments. All of them, like right away. It even helps the algorithm. But anyway, that's not what we're doing right now. We are going to finish this t-shirt. So, this is so funny. So, well, I think we got the cow down. I don't even want to change the cow. I think the cow, it looks kind of like looks like a human, but that's okay. I like it a lot. I really don't even know if we need to change anything here. Honestly, I think it looks good. So anyway, so we have to get this on a Canva. Excuse me. So let's do that now. I really don't think I would change anything here. Yeah, I gotta figure out this setup because I keep having to like check my phone to see if I get any notifications. Maybe what I should do is I should put it so it doesn't go away. Because right now it's on 5 minutes. We'll just put it on never lock, and then I could just look at my notifications. Because when you run a business, you gotta check them all the time. And we use Hostinger for our website platform, and it never wants to show me my emails because I got it linked through Gmail. So we're just gonna have to Yeah, we're just gonna have to like hopefully I don't miss any. You don't want to miss any notifications. But anyway, so we'll leave that up just for now. And then we just downloaded. Did we just download our new and improved cow? Let's put that on the screen. I think this looks great. Okay, boom. And then yeah, if we put it on like a blue T-shirt, I don't even think we have to put anything else, right? Even like this guy, right? It's just literally the milk carton. Like this is great. Whoops, there it is. Like it's just there. And I probably won't put it on a white T-shirt. I mean, maybe I'll make that option so you could buy it on a white T-shirt. Yeah, that's perfect. Look at that. That's so funny. Yep, 9 yaps. Last seen chasing deals. No for never paying full price. Special ability. Final local deals. Fuel type. Good food and discounts. Yeah, that's awesome. I like it a lot. So I think what we have to do, we can get rid of the inspiration. We have to make it pretty large, I think. And this has to stay a blank background. We were just using the blue for design, and we'll download it. Sweet. And then we can go here. Oof. Hopefully I get this on the first try, because let me tell you, it is not fun adding. They gotta fix this. It is not fun adding stuff on here. But once you get it down, you just get it down, I guess. Let's go to edit. You know, we're gonna open up 2 tabs. It's just not fun to do this. Okay, so we're gonna go to my products and we're gonna create a new product. Oh wait, see, I don't think we named the stream, did we? Do we have to rename the stream every time? Because now it's not. It's no longer my first stream, I guess, right? On this account. Now we gotta know. See, learning how to stream, my first stream. So yeah, we gotta edit this. Learning how to stream. What do we edit this to? I don't know. Learning how to stream. I could just put learning how to stream my second stream. I don't want to say that. Like day 1. Let's just put day 1. How about that, right? That's a very basic thing to do. And that's great. We can just keep everything running. Yeah, you could do reruns. I didn't know that. That's so interesting. So like if you don't want to stream one day, you could just do that, I guess. So that's pretty cool. All right, anyway. So yes, we're creating a new product. So my products, right? Because this is the copy. Yep. Create product. Oh, okay, yes, we have to have the right type of t-shirt here, I remember. Gildan, I think it's Gildan 5000. I am not someone to pronounce things the best way, but that is okay. I think we want the unisex classic tee, right? The cheapest one. They actually came out really good. I think I'm wearing one of those right now. You can't really see it. But like this is like the basic, oh yeah, you can, look, there we go. It's like the basic design, very basic. We're actually changing this 9 yaps, I think, eventually. Big logo. People say it's oversized. I think it's awesome. I get a lot of compliments on it. But anyway, let's put that back up. All right, let's put that back up. So anyway, all right. So yes, we make this one. It's unisex. We already got the design, which is awesome. Yeah, you gotta be very careful on typing different things on here. We don't care about the color, but I know you change it afterwards. Okay. Yeah, I think we could do ash. Ash is fine. Maybe I can go for ash, honestly. That's perfectly fine with me. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, yeah, I think I need some more coffee here. So yeah, so basically we're gonna get our design, which we already got. We made it last time, and we're going to, oh gosh, I can't just drag and drop. Whoops. Alright, upload. I really do like this design. I think it's great. I just kind of thought of it. I don't know why I just did, but upload it. Okay, it's gonna load. Like, I really don't think it can get any better than this. Okay, apply. So here's the tricky part. Oh yeah, we gotta do a background remove. So we gotta go back to Canva. And see, this is why I get this feature. So the reason why I pay for premium is so I can go transparent background. It's a premium feature. I don't know why one of them's different, but that's okay. Now we gotta download that one. Yep, think we gotta change the title because we already have one like that. And then there we go. So now we need to re-upload this. Yeah, I guess it's gonna show my attachment, so it's okay. There's nothing spooky in there anyway. Okay. What do we got? That looks good. See, I think that's way too big. That the t-shirt should be a different color. Possibly. I mean, like, I don't know, like, what did this guy do before? I mean, like, he has it on a white t-shirt. I just feel like, oh, let's see what it looks like on other ones. Oh, the whole thing changes. I like that for, like, what he's doing. No, maybe I don't like that. Oh, gosh. These color options are kind of weird. Yeah, no. I don't think we need this anymore, right? We got the inspiration. Milk carton sketch t-shirt. Right? Oh, sketch. I like that. I like the sketch. All right, we don't really need this anymore, so let's close that. So yeah, I guess if you want to buy it in white, I don't see why anyone would. Well, I guess if you like white a lot. Right, like that looks nice. Like a little like cream color, yellow haze they call it. Blue, ice gray. I guess there's really no restrictions, right? We can click a lot of these. Brown's probably gonna look nice. Yeah, that's nice. So now I'm not good with sizing. Like I said, my t-shirt is over. I've heard it before, but it's oversized logo, which we don't want. So honestly, I could probably use this design as like a reference, right? Yeah, we got the new vote. This is our USF account. So I'm from Tampa. Our main business, we give discounts. If you don't already know, we give discounts on our app. That's the business. Businesses pay monthly. They offer discounts for people to use. It started off as USF, but now we have like the regular page. And this is where today's video is. And we got a new comment too, I think. Unless it's just me. Instagram is kind of weird on the computer, I gotta say. But I'm trying to make it like interactive for you guys. Yeah, you can't really see too much there. Alright, whatever, we'll look at that later. But anyway, so what I'm really doing here is we're gonna go to my products and we're gonna edit one just to kind of see what it looks like in reference. So edit and edit design. Because we just don't want it to be oversized, right? I've had people tell me, not many people, but I've had people tell me it's oversized before. Oh, but see, we don't even know what this one looks like, but whatever, that's fine. So I think what we'll do, I mean, honestly, what did he do here? See, it's too small. I think that's too small. Like, I get the point, but I just think it's too small. You know, I mean, oh, actually, mine's probably very similar in size. I think it's great. Maybe a little bit higher. Yeah, like that, right? We could zoom in. See, yeah, this is a great feature. So you're probably not gonna be able to see. See, I always just make it bigger. Good quality, good quality. It's so interesting. Right? Maybe a little bit bigger? I don't know. Maybe. Is that too big? I don't know. Oh, I guess you could look at like the neck size, right? The neck is like... right, if the neck is like right here on the ends and it goes down, it pretty much touches, at least this logo, it touches it. So maybe we just, yeah, maybe this is fine. Right? Is there a way to, I don't understand this mock-ups. This is the part that gets very confusing. If you don't click the right buttons, it becomes very weird. Right? This is what the t-shirt's gonna look like. I think that's a good size. Is it oversized? I don't know, right? I guess, whoa. I guess we'll find out. All right, let's do colors though. Let's go back to the product. What other colors should we let people buy this in? Black, probably not black. Sports gray. Probably not sports gray. Sand. Sand looks really good. I would want sand. I think sand over brown, honestly. Doesn't matter. Green? Probably not green. Probably just like this sandy color. Maybe not even blue, right? Because that's not the point. Right, we can go with that one. We can give like a little bit more neutral color. We could do white. If you want plain white, that's fine. I think this will be too dark. I just think everything looks good. Dark chocolate? Sure, right? I mean, that's not black, so that's fine. I think that's good. All sizes is fine. Yeah, I think just black is just going to make it too dark. Even this I think is a little too dark, but that's fine. If someone wants it in that color, they can go for it. And we want the brown, I think, to be showing first. Would we like light brown or dark brown? Probably... Sure. That's fine. I like that a lot. Alright, what else we gotta do now? So, here's where it gets tricky. Okay? We don't need to edit this product anymore. This is where it gets really tricky, because you click the wrong buttons, man. It starts tweaking out on me. I think we just gotta hit publish. Yeah, I'm being very careful with what I click with, because it's gonna bring you right to the mock-up. Yeah, see. So, listen, we can do higher quality. I think this is definitely a question. This is definitely a question for people. So, like, when I buy these t-shirts, they last, right? I do hand wash them, because it does get, you know, like any t-shirt, it gets worn. We could, you know, let's ask ChatGPT. Right. All right. I'm gonna go put some food in. I got some homemade chicken egg fried rice, so I'm gonna go get that going on. And what we got from our last stream, right? We are going to liked videos, and we're gonna put this on, right? Maybe, but you know, maybe I'll mute this one just in case it has copyright music. And then yeah, that's perfect. Sweet. And then hold on, and then I can turn off my camera, I guess, right? There we go. All right. Well, you can still hear me, but I will be back. All right, we're back. Let's see. All right, so that was pretty cool. I think this is something, right? Look, we're gonna make it more professional each time. All right, all right. We don't need this right now, right? We could just pause this. Put that over there. All right. So what are we at? Oh, right. We asked ChatGPT if we should do this or not. Yeah, shorten your response, man. Shorten. All right, so it lasts longer. Listen, so the price is gonna be a little bit more. I wonder if it's gonna be still the same colors. Yeah, price can be a little bit more. It's gonna be higher quality. All right, I think the t-shirts only come out to like $20 anyway. Like I said, I only make $1 on it just to pay for taxes. Okay, here's where we gotta be careful. So, on the shop, right? We don't need, no, we still need that. Okay. This is the style we want to be shown first. So that means, right, we don't need, oh god. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Right, because you click on this t-shirt, I think it's like only the one color, and then we go here. Right, okay. So, really don't want to mess this up. It's really a pain. Oh my. It's really a pain to get this right the first time. Okay, I think we actually want this one. This is our MVP here. Whoops. Right, yeah, and then we gotta star this one. Get rid of this one. Okay. Wow, that looks terrible. Hopefully it doesn't look like that afterwards. Is this what makes me think that it's too big? This part. I don't know. You know what? Let's ask ChatGPT, right? that's what I love about ChatGPT. Let's just take a screenshot of the whole screen, I guess, and we'll go. Do you think the milk carton is too big? Okay. Well, while you're doing that, we have to figure out these mock-ups here. So it should. We should have some other options here. Oh yeah, there we go. Right, and then I like to go like this. Maybe not this one, maybe like... Right, okay. Because that's what we have right now. We have just this one, but I kind of want to show off some more colors here. Let's maybe we'll go like that and like that, right? So those three, 1, 2, 3, we got this like 4 little quadrant here, and then we'll go... Because I don't want to show people on it. I just, for some reason, I just don't. Oh, geez. Okay, see, this is where we start getting messed up. So we want the t-shirts with straight, and straight. So straight, right? This is all right. It's straight. Sweet. So now, wow, they don't make this easy, huh? What's the difference between this one and this one? Almost no difference, right? This one might have a wrinkle on it. Do these have wrinkles on it? They probably should. Make it more realistic. Okay. Honestly, like when you click on this, do we care about the hanger? I don't. Alright, anyway. So I think we did these 4. No, see, it's all different now. Alright. You know, honestly, let's just remove the hanger. I thought the hanger idea was kind of nice, but honestly, I don't think it's needed. There we go. Good, so we just need to see, like, the mock-ups, right? And we could show the back. Right, there's nothing on the back. Okay, and then I think that's good. Whoa, don't click too much. Okay. I think that's great, right? Oh, let's see what ChatGPT said. It says, yes, slightly. I'll shrink about 20. Ooh, right, see? Okay. So we have to change the size. Great. Okay, so we're going to continue. And we're going to hope that... Whew. Okay, yeah, we still have a lot more to do here, though. I think I can edit the design afterwards, though. So why don't we try publishing it, and then we'll see, oh my, this is scary. Okay, and then we'll see what happens. Alright, yep, good colors, good. Okay, here we go. So we want to do set earnings, just at $1, right? So the t-shirt comes out for you guys like 20 bucks. See, it's like 20 bucks, and it's like some shipping, so it's probably gonna be like $23, which I still don't think is, is too bad. We should include. Oh, that's actually kind of interesting. Okay. Anyway, so you can do so much here. Oh wait, we can edit the product. Yes, I'll do this now, so I don't have to do it later. Oh, okay. So it said shrink it a little bit, so shrink it about 20%. Did I even do anything? See, I never know. So what do we think? Is it too much? Let's make sure we're confident here. Yeah, see, I think it's saying make it a little bit smaller. I mean, you just might not be able to read the 9 yaps, but like I said, that's not the point of this t-shirt. Unless you want to put 9 yaps under it. I don't think we should. Watch, ChatGPT's not going to think either. Oops, didn't spell that right. Probably wouldn't. Yep. Yep, we don't want it to feel like merch. So we honestly might want to take out the 9 yaps on the t-shirt. That's okay, I guess. We don't care about too much. I should move my coffee so it's not like that. Okay, sweet. Yeah, see, I gotta get this, like, what is it called? I forgot. We got the name last time. The arm joint, whatever you want to call it. The thing that connects to the desk so I can have all this space. Because now we're going to bring food over here and it's not going to work. Okay, anyway, so I think we're good here. We're going to save the changes and it's going to bring us right back to the pricing. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is what they do. Okay, god damn it. No, what happened? Clear all. Okay, shoot. All right, we want this one with the wrinkles. I know this is exactly what they do to you. Okay. And then, no, we want the, like, a little bit darker one, I think. Okay. I knew that was going to happen. Okay, and we'll just show the back off. Perfect. I think we're good. Just gotta be careful with what. See, you have to, like, do all this again. It could be a lot better. See, is this even the... Wasn't it like 20 before? Maybe it's not Gillian or whatever it is. Wow, this is crazy. I'm very skeptical because I feel like we didn't make it that heavier material. I'm gonna go back and do it again. I would rather go back now than do it later. Right? But now I don't see that option. Oh, it is. Okay, great. Okay. We should be good. We should be good. Now it's gonna change my mock-ups, I bet. Yeah, you gotta be kidding me. That's crazy. Okay. That's definitely a flaw. Like, that should not be part of, that should not be part of it, but that's okay. That's fine. Good. See, like, people want to make 30%. Oh, I see what I'm saying, yeah. See, it's not even that bad, but then you calculate shipping and it just sucks. It really does. I would rather just do that. Like, 12 bucks. That's a really great price for a t-shirt. Because I'm not trying to make money on this. It's not the point of it. I wish I can give them out for free. We just don't have the funding for that yet. Okay, great. So now we got now I need to give it a name. Right. Now we gotta see if my rice is ready. I'll be right back. Alright, definitely ready. You know, I don't even think I'm going to be able to show anything about the food. I have to wait for it to, like, cool off. I just put the whole thing in the oven. The, tray it came in and everything. Okay, missing milk tea, chasing 9 yaps, milk carton tea. Missing milk tea. What are we thinking about that? Missing milk. I don't know if I like that. Can you give me more something retro? Let's see what we got. Creamline corner midnight milk run. Ooh, I like that. But then the cow should be like running. Milk run. This is so funny. Midnight milk run. But do we want to make it like, does it have to say 9 yaps in it? I guess not, right? Where'd we go? There we go. I don't even know what to name it. So we got this great. It's what is it? It's maybe I shouldn't be showing it on the stream, but yeah, it's like rice, egg, vegetables. So good. Still a little warm. I like the missing carton. What is your favorite? I think the missing carton. Milk run? Milk run or missing carton? I got these cords too I gotta figure out. Oh my. I literally just built this entire setup yesterday. Moved around the entire room to get this going. But it definitely needed it. Okay, we can just put this down. You like Milk Run? The missing milk carton? I like Milk Run. Milk Run's good. So, should we say 9 yaps, Milk Run tea, or just Milk Run tea, or just Milk Run? I don't know. See, this is all like stuff that you learn. Like for instance, when Nike makes a t-shirt, they don't say like basketball Nike t-shirt, this and this t-shirt. Milk Run tea. Yeah, I don't even know what we have so far. Yeah, retro t-shirt. Yeah, we gotta, okay, so we'll just put Milk Run. Milk Run tea. Why not just Milk Run? Alright, we'll just do Milk Run. I like that. Milk Run. I wish you could see it. See, this is a terrible representation. Like, how am I supposed to know what it looks like? Alright, but anyway, we need we need this. 100% cotton. I love how it's 100% cotton. It's a terrible it's a terrible yeah, that's fine. Okay, so we would say Milk Run tea, milk. Now we can put like this: Milk Run tea, designed for everyday comfort. Sweet. And then we have like this like disclaimer of like why yeah, things are like on demand. Like obviously we're not gonna be holding like all this stuff in inventory, but so like we put this message. I forgot what it was. It doesn't like to show it. It kind of should. Maybe it shows it on the actual shop. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? No, it doesn't. It should. I don't have to add it to the cart. Watch, it's gonna make me add it to the cart. No way. Because it shows like, oh, this was made. This product Let me see if it's in my notes. Oops. This product. Ah, found it. This product is made to order. Yep, so delivery might be a little longer. Yeah, delivery, I don't know how delivery is. I just ordered a t-shirt. Yeah, it's probably been like a week, honestly. I think I should have already came in, but you know. Here, let's publish it. What? There's an error. We have to do it again? So here's what I'm saying. This Printful, man, they gotta work on their website. I tried going to support. They gave me a $5 coupon to buy another t-shirt. I don't know why. And I tried, and I never got it. And I tried, I don't know what I did. I think I tried emailing, calling, support. I waited on support for like 4 hours and I just had the chat open. I can't believe that. Anyway, this is why I, this is crazy. This is fraud. Let's get that brown in there again. I can't believe that. That's crazy. Whatever. It's probably because I did too many edits. Oh no, and I have to put this design on again? That's crazy. Okay, whatever. You know what? That's fine. Oof. I don't remember. You know what? Let's ask ChatGPT again. I don't remember. So I lost my progress and forgot the size of the picture. Is this good or do we need to change it? Okay, let's see. I can't believe that. I will not reach away to eat like that again. I gotta move this microphone. What are you thinking? I think this is good. Right, the end of the 9 yaps is here. Like a little bit farther, it's there. Oh, interesting. So this one was a lot lower. Like that. Is that too low? I don't know. Like that goes like right there, right there. I think that's good. Right, we're not gonna. Oh, I gotta click all these again. We're not gonna go too crazy with it. I don't think. Can't believe that. I don't need charcoal. I can't believe that. Isn't that crazy? That's usually how it is with Printful. They like to do stuff like that to you. But whatever, that's fine. I don't think we want this dark one. I think that's dark enough. Okay. I think that's good. I don't think it has to be raised. I think it's great. We're gonna publish it. That shouldn't be called publish. That should be called next, right? Because now we gotta do these mock-ups. And which is like one of the hardest parts because you never know if it's done right. 1, 2, 3. We only have 8 on here. I feel like there was an extra color, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. Oh no, but we gotta remember what we did here. That's okay. All right, that's okay. So we did that. I think it looks good. And we gotta say milk run, right? And then we gotta get this description again. Perfect. And then we need to get the description from the other one. Right. Whoops. Okay. Sweet, right? Good, 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 good. I think we're good, guys. Now it's published. Okay, Milk Run. Milk Run tea designed for everyday comfort. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Here we go. Publish. Come on, you better work. Awesome. Great. So that's gonna finish off. I want to finish this rice. This rice is so good. Sweet. Should show up. Oh my god. See, the mock-ups don't even show all of them. Oh wait, no, it is. It's right here. We're good. But see, you can't even see what it says though. That's the problem. Ooh, we got a hair. Jeez. But I guess the same thing with like this. It stinks, doesn't it? Well, if you look at the size comparison between these two, it looks like it's gonna be about the same. I really wish you can click on that to make it bigger. I mean, like, you can see it. It's just like, oh, you know what? Oh, see, this is, you know what it is? I know what it is. I know what it is. We're going to have to redo it. Okay, that's okay. Right, because if you go to, oh, man. Hold on, let's just try something out. We don't need that. Oh, I guess we did need ChatGPT. That was our ChatGPT. Oh, I knew it. I knew that was going to do it. Watch this. Ready? Great product. Just real quick. I'm just curious. We need a Gildan 5000. I knew it. Start designing. That's actually so funny. Watch. I bet one of the things is going to be, I can't believe that. That's so funny. No, not this one. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We had one more. 8. Oh wait, but we gotta change the size now, right? Now I don't even remember what the size was. Like that. Now it's too small. Okay, there we go. Hopefully it's not too loud. Okay. Done with that. So it says this is good. I think this is big, but no worries. We'll listen to ChatGPT on this one. Okay, let's see. So I'm doing this again because I think I could change the mock-up to show. I have to change this anyway, actually. Yeah, so you should be able to change the order of these. You can't even do that. It's just weird. Anyway, I think what we could do now is we can go here. No, it's one of these. See how long it takes? It's actually crazy how long it takes. Because you got to make sure that you could see, like, you got to be able to see it. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's see what it says about this now. Yeah, there is a mock-up where it zooms in. That's what I'm trying to look for. I'm looking for the mock-up that zooms in. This is the beauty of running a business. You might be sitting here. I have sat here for a long time. I think that's good. Alright, I don't think I need to do this. I think we can just X out of this. Leave without publishing. I think we're good now. I think all that blood, sweat, and tears, I think we're good. I think that's perfect. Oh, that's funny. It does show the back. I could see what they were saying about that. Alright, I think it's good. Holy cow, I think we've made that t-shirt now. Now it's a process to actually upload it. So, my products. Yep, looks good. I wish I could change the order. I bet you can. No, I probably can't. That's fine though. Just wish you could zoom in. Right, you can only zoom in on here. Yeah, I mean, I could, like I said, I could spend so much time on this, making sure it's perfect, but sometimes you just gotta send it. Oh, God, I got a piece of rice in my... So I think we should be good here. We should. We posted it. I think it looks great. I would get like a light brown one, probably, like sand. Probably sand. Sand looks great. I know we do have to save this image. Whoops. Oh look, there you go. I guess you could zoom in that way. It's just blurry, right? Like it shouldn't be blurry like that. You know what I'm saying? Alright, anyway, that's okay though. We need to save image. Right, I think we can go like this though. No, I mean, I think it's fine. I think what we're going to do, we're going to zoom in to the design, and we also have to go to Hostinger too. This is our website provider. Where are we going? I thought we were editing the product, right? There we go. It's loading. Right, if we really zoom in, right, this is what's going to matter. See? You're not going to be able to see that, which is fine. It's that, I don't think that's the point. I think that's good enough. Guess me like the size of your sleeve. Yeah, that should be good. Yeah, you actually should be able to see. Should be able to see it. So anyway, we are going to edit my website. Yeah, I have a couple other websites, but we don't use them. Alright, okay, perfect. Yes, we're gonna leave this. Alright, so this is Hostinger. This is the best website provider you can have starting your business. But what we really want to do is create the merch side. Yeah, music's good. I don't know if you guys could hear it, but it's really good. It might be picking up though on my microphone. I don't know. Maybe it sounds weird. Maybe I should check that real quick. Ready? Let's check it real quick. So go like that. No, that sounds terrific. All right, hold on. There we go. That sounds terrific. All right, hold on. We're looking for the official 9S merch. There we go. So yes, I know that Printful has my own merch website, whatever, but I like to also put it on here. I don't know why. No, I guess this is how you link it, how you're able to actually see it. All right, so we're gonna go duplicate, and we're gonna try to make that look as good as possible, and then we gotta edit the image. Okay, sweet. This one's gonna be called Milk Run. That's a nice, I like that a lot. Alright, now we have to go to here. Sweet. Oh, see, it should bring you to that. I bet it doesn't bring you to it. I bet it just brings you to the t-shirts. Alright, we have to fix all. Oh, so we have to fix all these URLs. That's so funny. Okay. That's alright, I don't mind doing that. See, you just, like, in business, you never can get anything perfect, right? You gotta just keep messing around with things. Whoops. Mm-hmm. Yep. Sweet. There you go. Classic. Classic t-shirt. Classic t-shirt. This should be t-shirt. So you just don't know these things. Classic crew neck. Shop hats. Okay, awesome. But then we need all of these to have their URLs. Yeah, Hostinger makes this very, very easy to... Whoops. To have your own website. Because I don't know how to code. I don't know anything about that. But what I do know is how to figure things out. So I've spent a lot of time figuring out how to use Hostinger, and it actually works pretty good. I think we might just have to edit this. Yep, okay. Does that look right? Yep. Maybe like a little bit more space. Like that. Yep, sure. Milk run. Yep. Yep. A little too much on that one. See, it's never perfect, right? It's never perfect, okay? You're never gonna get perfect, but that's pretty good. So there we go. Now we got another t-shirt. I love this t-shirt too. It's a little bit lower on the chest, but I think that's fine. I think that's good. So we'll update the website and then we'll make sure it works. And now we made a t-shirt. Whoops. Hello. There you go. Whoops. There you go. Done. So we're really getting things done here. Okay. So, all right. We got the t-shirt. Okay. Great. Yeah, this music's great. I don't know if it's too loud or not. Maybe it's too loud for me, not for you. Okay, there we go. So it's still publishing. We made the t-shirt. We don't need this anymore now. Thank you, ChatGPT. We got that. And then we're going to update this when it's done. Sweet. That looks so cool. I just wish you could zoom in a little bit more. It's just great. It's a great t-shirt. Okay, anyway. Sweet. That's it. T-shirt done. I want to buy one. Should I buy one right now? Maybe I'll wait. I'll wait for some feedback first. Because I just bought another t-shirt, so we'll wait a minute. Alright, great. We don't need that anymore. Sweet! What's next? So, buy mic stand. I don't think I'll do that yet, but we're going to do it, right? We're going to do it eventually, so we'll put that in this category. Yeah, make items for background. We gotta work on this background. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. At night it looks nice because we got this light down here that you can't see, but it's there. Looking to charity events. Let me just make sure I don't have anything else on my list to do. I think I have to add a couple things on 9yaps. I know that. Okay, yes, I have to get back to a score client. Okay, so you know what we're gonna do? I have a couple of emails I gotta send. So one thing I have to learn on the stream. I mean, this will obviously help if like if I have someone to talk to, but I have things I want to do off screen record, so we got to figure out what we're gonna do with that. So that's ChatGPT, right? So I'm going to work on you know what we should do too? I should try to download my last video because I think I'm gonna put these on YouTube just to get some stuff out there. This is so cool. Manage your sub. I don't even know what that means. Yeah, we're just gonna not do that right now. Alright, what am I doing right now? We need to go to my channel, and we need to go to videos, and we need to go to download. How do I do that? Okay. I have to ask ChatGPT. How do I download my stream on Twitch after recording? Yeah, we don't. We need a. We need more than music, man. Okay, so we gotta go to my dashboard. Okay, that makes more sense. And then we're gonna go to click content, and then video producer. Is that what it said? And then go to VOD. Expiring in 7 days. Yeah, it only stays for that long. So, and we'll go download. Preparing file for download. All right, we'll just leave that like there. You know, I think I'll just find something honestly. Okay, so we got that going. Let's see. Yeah, so oh yes, we gotta find something to put in the background. I don't even know what we'd put in the background. Let's look up stream. No, I think we gotta get creative here. All right, you know what? We're gonna let that download, and in the meantime, I'm going to do what I have to do here. Let's see. But I really do think that t-shirt is great. I think that, whoops, I do want to add more. I want to have like tons on here. Alright, where are we going? Official 9yaps merch. Yeah, I think we did good with that. And you can't even tell it's AI. That's the thing. I mean, like, yeah, it's AI. And I think that's what the best thing, like, you should be using AI, but making it so it looks real, right? And then, yeah, what I'm doing right now, so I'm a Score mentor. Score is, like, if you don't know, it's a free mentoring service. I guess, you know, I guess I could pull that up. It's a free mentoring service that any business owner could use. If you're just starting your business, if you are, if you just need advice on your business at any stage, you could request to be a mentor, or you could request to get a mentor. And then, yeah, they help you with whatever you need. So I actually have an email I got from someone. So I'm just responding to him. I can't put that on stream, so I'm just gonna do that real quick. Okay, so let's see. Alright, so two. Alright, so let's see. Wow, there's a lot of things here. Okay. I'm trying to change my email signature. I've put my email signature now in put my LinkedIn and my email signature recently. Gosh, I never know. Spelling, grammar, signature. There we go. Yeah, we want to add like LinkedIn here. LinkedIn's I'm very big on LinkedIn. I think it's very, very important. Okay. Sweet. Okay, awesome. So we did that. Got like really bad allergies today, so it's just kind of just kind of blow my nose. All right. Okay. Yes, we did that. We did that. See, I do have to schedule more events. I don't know if I'll do that right now, though. Yeah, I gotta do a nomination form. You know, maybe I'll do that, honestly. Where, I don't even know where that is. That's gonna be, through email. That's probably gonna be on here. Whoops. This I could show you guys though. So yeah, so I'm just trying to find all different unique ways I can get involved with like the community, kind of get 9yaps out there, because we were mainly just students, but now we're starting to reach out to more than just students. So part of that project, actually, I think part of reaching out and getting more in contact with the community, I nominated myself for 40 under 40 in Tampa. So it's very interesting. And I have to fill out a submission form. Whew. Text heavy. Okay. Yeah, okay. I could do this right now. I could actually do this right now. So, yeah, anyone could do this. If you're serious about your business and you want to get nominated, just it's free. I mean, obviously only 40 people get chosen, but, you know, if you're really hustling in Tampa and, did I download this? Oh, we did. Yes, we did. Look at that. Sweet. Maybe I should upload this on YouTube now, just for the fun of it. I don't know. I don't know if I should or not. Maybe I should. Let's see what ChatGPT says. Okay, so we're going to upload this. All right, that's what we're going to do on this at the same time. So we're going to switch accounts to this one. Yeah, this is the Nick at 9yaps account. Whoops. And, like I said, this all has to be optimized too. Look at this. That's so funny. Yeah, we were going to have like a whole podcast going. Yeah, my hair is way different in all three of these than it is now, but this is when it's going to, this is what it's going to be soon when I get a haircut. This is Nick with a perm a long time ago. I haven't gotten a perm in like 2 years. Used to all the time, so I just have like these little curls now. But anyway, that's way off topic. We do have some podcasts here that we did, but basically, you know, I could edit this too, just like what it is on stream. So that's done with. Go back to my channel. We don't need to watch myself live, but we could edit the channel, right? Is this the channel? No. That's right, we have to go here. I am definitely starting to get used to this though. Channel, and then we could change the bio, make it the same for YouTube. You know, maybe I will just turn off my camera every time I gotta blow my nose. Okay, so this is good, right? Yep, good. I don't know if we even need all these on here. See, this is how we have it on here. Okay, whatever. Let's just publish for now. We will go to the channel, which I guess is here too. We gotta change this background too. That's actually something I could do right now too. So let me put the milk carton up there. So we need to go to, I think it's banner. Yep, I think so. And then it should be me. Whoops, that's not it. I think I just saw it, didn't I? Somewhere. We got the LinkedIn banner. Show more. YouTube banner. What? I swear I made this somewhere. I mean, I don't mind redoing it. I just don't really want to. Let's see if we could search the dimensions, I think. Oops. Yeah, we will actually. Sweet. Yeah, so I guess we'll edit the banner real quick. Nope, that didn't show up. Okay, that's terrific. So, you know, I guess we could just create it with those dimensions. Oops. What did it have to be? Oh, we don't need the milk carton here anymore. That was great. I really do like that t-shirt. Okay, 2276 by 377. Yeah, I mean, I don't know why I have to remake it, but that's okay. We'll remake it. Yeah, these are thumbnails. I don't know why it says banner if it's not a... I don't know what I did here. I mean, this is old, I get that, but I had this design. I really like this design. We just gotta find it. I mean, I could look for it. I just didn't think I was gonna have to. What is that? Nope, nothing. Even this music's like retro. We're just completely going retro vibe right now with all of our little things. No, it wouldn't be this far down. I mean, I don't mind remaking it. I just like... Oh, you know what? I know what I'll do. We'll just drag this back over here. Ha! Ha! There we go. You know what? I think what we'll do... I don't even know what font I used. Jeez. Okay, that's fine. Here, we'll go like this. Yep. Look at that. I could even redo that, so we'll, This is so funny. This is usually how I do things. If I don't know anything technology-wise, I just do it like that. Alright, we could put streaming now, because that's what we do. Like I said, we used to have the podcast. It just takes too much time to edit a podcast and all that stuff, so now we do the stream. Yeah, I definitely need to, I think, redo all this stuff. Right, we could even go like this and then backward and move it. Actually, I don't think that's going to make a difference. Oh, it sure did. I think even that photo, though, is going to be a little blurry. You know, honestly, I don't think there's anything I'm going to be able to do about that. Whoops. Okay, sweet. Something like that. Hosted by... This is just very generic for now. Let's see. Maybe lower this just a little bit. Except for is that in the middle? Yes, it is. Okay, great. So, and then we're going to say, whoa. Right now, we're just going to say Twitch. And maybe we'll just say YouTube, I guess, right? Because I think I'm going to double stream on YouTube and Twitch. Because I think Twitch, I might get more of an audience. And then I think YouTube, it's just going to be more about building the brand first. And then people are like, oh, okay, I'll watch it on YouTube. I don't know. We'll figure it out, right? That's what we got to do. So we'll go like that. I don't have like a specific time yet, and I think that's it. Yeah, this is like what we had the podcast. We had the in-person podcast. It looks so professional. It's awesome. But anyway, do you think I should put Nick at 9 yaps in here? No, I think it's kind of self-explanatory. It's Nick at 9 yaps. Right, we'll just download that. Might as well do this now, right? Okay, edit, change. Oh, what? Oh, what, we have double pixels? No way. I think it's the size. Is that what it is? Oh my. I know why it's not gonna work. Yep. I know exactly where it is too. So it's gonna be something similar. We're gonna get this down. Yeah, it's gonna be this. Because yeah, I remember this shit. This. Okay. And then we're gonna go like that. Actually no, we're gonna take the downloaded version. This is so funny. The first version. There we go. I think those are two different colors, but that's okay. There we go. Sweet. Yeah, I could. That's probably why I couldn't find it. Sweet. Come on. There we go. Sweet. Okay, awesome. Now we change that. Now I was doing that because now you go to dashboard. Sweet. Well, that should update. Whatever, it should update. Yeah, it's just gonna have to update. Okay, great. Now we could upload the video that we just, or the stream that we just did. I kind of want to listen to it though real quick, just to kind of see what it sounds like. And we'll take it from there. This is so funny. We're gonna react to my. Nothing happened on live. What? Okay, we gotta figure this out. Yeah, the reason why I said that is because like before on OBS it had me like change like the title and all that stuff, but I guess you couldn't do that. I don't know. There's probably a way to do it before you hit stream, but. I think I gotta bend the camera. I can't see the face of this cow. There's gotta be a way. I think this is great. I don't think I'm ever gonna watch the whole thing, but. TikTok, YouTube and Snapchat are the easiest ones. Whoops. There we go. We're just going to kind of see how it looks. If what we need to improve, I don't really know. You know what? That's great. All right, we're going to upload it. So, I think we're going to name it the same thing that it is right now. There we go. Right, learning how to stream. My first stream. Right, learning how to stream. My first stream. Put that music back on. Yeah, it is. Oh, whoa. It is a lot better with the music, which is so cool. Okay. You know what? We should upload this because it's going to take a while. Whoops. Where do I upload? Uploading video. Oh, shoot. It's already doing it. Okay. I don't remember doing it. My first stream. Yeah, I'm sure I'll learn like all the ethics of like how things should be titled, because I think like what I did here, I put Nick at 9 ups in each one, but I don't think I have to. Alright, we need a description for this. And then a thumbnail. I don't know if we can make a thumbnail now, actually. We have that. Thumbnail? Thumbnail? Is that not how we do it? Yeah, just look up YouTube. Whoops. thumbnail. I don't know, whatever. It doesn't matter. Okay, yeah, there's all different things we have on here. Let's see. Just go like that for now. Maybe we can grab a clip from, or a screenshot from this. I don't know. I have to figure out how to make a thumbnail. I have not messed around with that yet. Like, cause what I could do, right? Oh, that's pretty good. No, I'm never gonna see that one again. I know I'm not explaining what I'm doing, but it's gonna look good. Gosh, I hope I'm not annoying anyone doing this. That's not a bad face. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just screenshot that for now. Yep, and I like that one even better. Sweet. Okay, I'm not gonna spend too much time on it. Like, so you gotta be efficient with this. So, alright, good lordy B, I just took some screenshots, but we don't know where they went. Oh, look at that, they're right here. Alright, we don't need this one, we don't need this one. Great. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cook a little bit real quick. We're gonna go like this. Ooh, background remove might not work for that. That's okay, don't you worry about it. We're gonna make my first custom thumbnail here. Wish the quality was a little bit higher, but hey, we are going to work on it. That's probably good. No, that's too funny. Alright, where's my milk carton? Where's my milk carton? There it is. That's so funny. Right? Come on. There we go. This is great. I think this is... We're throwing together this thumbnail. Okay. Right, we could put like the t-shirt there, and then we could put the thing of milk. I'm just kind of playing around with this. Maybe I can go like offset it like that. Or just put the thing of milk. What are we thinking? Put the milk in there, add the t-shirt? I don't know. That's so funny. I think this doesn't look too bad. Or we could put the whole t-shirt there. I don't know. Maybe we should like... Because you can't really see the t-shirt. That's the thing. Like, it doesn't really make sense. Right? Like, I think this is overcrowding it now. Whoops. Right? It's like over... I mean, actually, maybe it could be side by side. No, I just don't think that... Maybe. Hold on. Maybe if we make them both a little bit smaller. So this is where that design classes go on. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I think this actually looks pretty good. Maybe move it up a little bit more like that. Boom! And ladies and gentlemen, we got our first thumbnail. I look like what? Alright, that's that's so funny. I like this a lot. Okay, are we uploading this thing? 7 minutes? It's not even too bad. Canva's yelling at me. Okay, YouTube thumbnail. This is so funny. I think it looks good. Come on, look at that. That's awesome. Oh, maybe I should put like my first stream, right? This is where we can get creative a little bit. We could even use the same font here. Oops. Oof. Right? How are thumbnails on YouTube though? Can you see the whole picture? I think so, right? Yes, you can. Okay, go back to... Not Twitch. Here we go. My first stream. You know what, we could put ... right? Let's get some suspense in there. There we go. Like, actually, I think that's pretty good. Nice. Alright, it's not, I mean, it's not perfect, but you know what it is? It's authentic, and I think it's actually not too bad. Alright. And, like, things will improve as we go, right? I'm sure this thumbnail will look better and better every time. But, I think, for now, I think it looks pretty good. We're just going to process the video. Now we need a description. So, yes, we're going to go back to ChatGPT for that. I hope you don't think I overuse ChatGPT. I just don't know, like, what my description should be, right? I could just put, like, hope you enjoyed it. Like, get ready for the next one. But come on, we got to put a little bit more thought into it, right? Can you create a YouTube description for my first stream on YouTube? That's the title. There. See, I like this, right? It doesn't have those ChatGPT dashes. It's still, maybe I could put, like, what about adding, like, follow me on Twitch? No, that might not, I don't know. I feel like sometimes you're not supposed to, like, promote cross platforms, I think, because like YouTube detects it. Instagram, I know, does. So, okay. You always put no, it's not made for kids. Not saying like that it's like 18 plus like content. It's just like it'll close comments and like push it out more to kids. I don't know. It's kind of a weird thing. New playlists. New podcast. Well, now hold on now. This looks pretty good. This looks pretty good. Hold on, I didn't know you could do this. English. Yeah, sweet. We'll do the same thing here. Hold on. Nick at 9 yaps. I could have just typed that out, but we're gonna... Yeah, I really should have just typed it out, huh? Okay, Nick at 9 yaps. Y is always uppercase. And then description. There we go. Sweet, man. What should the thumbnail be? It could be the same thing, but then we have to... You know, we'll just go like this. We'll just upload this one, right? Ooh, must be square. Thumbnail. Upload a square picture that represents your podcast. Okay, that's gonna be the same one as the logo here. Wow. I am not... Oof. I don't know if I'll be able to find that. At least quickly. See, I do gotta organize some things more on here. Alright, we're just gonna hope that it's gonna just show up. Awesome. Yeah, by the way, I think this is funny. I know I have to redo the photo, but this crew neck, it's a real crew neck, but I used ChatGPT to put it on there. Ha! Oh my gosh. Yeah, that photo is what, 3 years old now? 2 years old now? I gotta update it, but it's just the best photo I have of me. I've tried doing other ones, but it just doesn't look as good. Now, it's not gonna let me edit it, so I'm gonna have to do that myself. Because obviously this is like a little much. That's a little much. I forgot what I do here. Right, it just shows the bottom of the 9 yaps. Whoops. Excuse me. Or it just cuts off, I should say, the bottom of the 9 yaps. Something like that, I guess, is fine. Yeah, I think it's good. But I like the smile, and I like just, I don't know, it's okay. My hair does not look like that. People say it all the time. They're like, oh my gosh, it surprised me. Because your hair doesn't look like that. And I'm like, yeah, I know. I gotta get a new one. Okay, sweet. That looks better. Create. Sweet. Oh, look, they're both podcasts. Look at that. I didn't even know that. I guess I've done that before. Is that gonna get cut off? I don't think so. Oh gosh. Sure. Sure. Public. Kind of scared, but alright, that's fine. Alright, we'll publish that. Alright, I don't even know what we were doing, right? This really got looped in. Alright, we have to check how the social media is doing. I want to see what that looks like on the page, though. Oh, podcast. Yeah, see? 3 episodes. I think it all has to upload still. Yep, there you go. That's so funny. Sweet. I think we're on track here. Okay. So, I think we're doing pretty good. So, I want to see the thumbnail though. You know what I'm saying? Like, oops. Like, I think we have playlists, podcast episodes. I mean, I guess you want to label it as a podcast, right? I guess that's okay. Oh, there you go. Yeah, the quality's like kind of crazy, but that's okay. I like it a lot. I like the thumbnail. Oh yeah. Okay, anyway, we're just going to leave that like that. We'll get feedback later on that. So what are we doing right now? So we still need to make items for backgrounds. I want to check out the podcast, how that's going. Thursday sounds great. Okay, I got to send a meeting link to someone. But anyway, we don't have to do that at this moment. Let's see how the video's doing. Oh, sweet! It's doing pretty decent on Instagram. So I'm growing two accounts right now on Instagram, plus this one eventually. Sweet, that's actually pretty cool. Okay, great. It's not doing too bad. You know what it is? I always know if a video is good if it's doing good on YouTube, because YouTube's very generous right now. Everyone should be posting their videos. If it's on Instagram and TikTok, it's got to go in here. Yeah, it's going pretty good. Sweet. I like that a lot. Alright, awesome. Man, I need some water here. We had an hour and a half again? I can't believe it's been 3 hours now today. Which is good. I guess I don't need to be showing my YouTube like that. I usually I use this one mainly for just 9 apps. I don't use it for viewing. But anyway, so looking at charity events, yeah, I do gotta schedule some events. Make items for background. Yeah, I know we have to do that. Okay, great. So what we're gonna do? Can I sign in into Eventbrite on here? Eventbrite's nice. I don't know if it's good everywhere, but ever since I moved to Florida, it has been pretty good. So we're gonna look up charity events. So the reason why, let me get some context here. So I mentioned this last time, but I am trying to get networked more, right? Building a network is one of the most important things that you could do for yourself, for your personal branding, for your business. You'll meet people. Recently, when I need to get something done, people are saying, okay, well, look at your network first, or whatever the case is. People are saying, look at your network. So we got to find one in Tampa, a networking event that is going to be productive, so I could possibly meet some people. We're not going to be paying anything, I don't think, yet. But just, just to kind of meet people and help others out. It's really the main thing, right? In business, you want to help as many people out as you can so that they eventually help out you, but also, but not even that so you can get something back, but you just learn from it. Like a good example, we have a whole internship team, group program, where there's students that are just learning from 9yaps and like what we've created over the last 2 years. So and like I don't really get anything from that, but I learn from it. So it's just awesome. Anyway, so we need to find, oh wow, charity cruise. That's so funny. Alright. Foodies and New Friends charity event. I know this one's like kind of past, but I just gotta look at different things here. December trash cleanup. Like, I would do something like this. Let's read more about this. A trash cleanup with pure initiative and non-profit focus on cleanup. Yep, yep, yep. See, it's only 1 hour. Yeah, so like this is something free, right? Oh, this is, oh god, this is for December. That's kind of far out, isn't it? Just Sunday, December 13th. So I guess I will put that in my calendar. Well, jeez, I guess we'll go. I mean, that's just, why is that so far away? Hold on. There's gotta be like. Oh, okay, there we go. Hold on, yeah. I mean, like, come on, December. All right, let's not look too far out in my calendar. We're in June, right? Okay. June 14th, that's actually not too bad. That's also a flag day, so that should be okay. Now, Davis Island, I know is not too far away from me. But we also have... Oh, July. Okay. So maybe we'll do this one. Trash cleanup. Pure initiative. Let's see what this is about. So I think what we'll do is we'll see if Kaylee wants to go to this. We could share it. Can I copy the link? Sweet. Okay, But, okay, the only problem I see with this is that it's gonna be random people, right? Like, that's, which is fine, but we kind of want, like, we kind of want to meet, like, other business people, too, though. This is it? I feel like, didn't we have one more? Where the heck did it go? Here, let's just refresh, maybe. Charity events. Okay, there we go. Charity pool tournament. I know I probably should have looked at this one, too. Let's read more about this one. Twilight entry. But what's the charity going towards? That's another thing too, like. No past events. So this is their first event. I mean, like, it's not a bad thing. I mean, I'm not that great at pool. Can I, like, favorite this for later? Yeah, like event. We're just gonna go like event for now, right? Because that's in July. I don't have to decide that. There's really not much. I mean, this probably would have been the best, I guess, but I mean, maybe they have more events. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, this looks okay. Just meeting new people, but like, I don't know, like, I think like we need something a little bit more formal, you know, like, I don't know if I'm trying to like play pool, right? Like, I'm looking for like the ballroom. I mean, maybe it's a little too fancy, but like the ballroom, like, type of situation. No, these are promoted. Why? Yeah, so maybe there's not many, I guess, right? I mean, oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. So it's a little more pricier. Maybe I could only afford the more cheaper ones. Who knows? Let's go to the sexy Western wear charity affair. No cover. Oh my. Matcha and Meetup Giving Back edition. Oh, it's today. Let's see what this one's about. Yeah, see, I don't know. I mean, that's... I just feel like I need to, like, I don't know, like, we need a little bit more, like, yeah, formal, right? Let's just look at that This one. This one looks big. I don't know. You know what? We gotta ask ChatGPT, right? I mean, that's the main thing. Okay, so. Oh, it's recommended. Recommended to go to. Yep, still didn't spell that right. Charity events to network. What types of events would be best for 9 apps? Because right, we gotta stay productive still. Like we cannot. We don't want to not be productive. Mm-hmm. That's interesting. So maybe I just gotta go to one of these. Like, yeah, mixers, mingles, sponsors. Yeah, okay, so like trash pickup, it's probably more of like a fun thing to do, kind of. You know what I'm saying? Like we gotta. This might be too much now. Oh wow, yeah, it's expensive. This one's expensive, but I'm just kind of looking at different ones here. Bourbon ball, like, I don't know what this. How much was this one? Oof. Interesting. I think I'm not in the charity event. So like, yeah, I mean like, I don't know, we have to just kind of find it. I mean like, with this one's, it says what this one was free. Oh, that's right. This is like the first event, right? It's kind of like sketchy. I want to host events too eventually. That's why like I gotta like get to know. Just gotta like learn and network, right? 5K run and walk. I could walk. Wow, 7 grand. Yeah, they forgot a space here. Okay. What was this one? I don't think this is a webinar. Yeah, I mean, like, I don't see much. I mean, again, I don't know what I'm looking for, but then again, yeah, they always like, there we go. Oops, whoa. This is so funny. 5-night cruise. How is it free, man? That cannot be free. A donation amount. What? Yeah, that's gonna need more like more context there, right? You gotta like book your cruise. Oh, that's so funny. I guess you book the cruise and you just kind of say you're going. It's a small cruise ship too. Very small cruise ship. Okay, so like what? So we got like maybe a trash pickup we'll do. That seems like the closest thing, right? Didn't we like that? Oh, we like this one. Okay, let's like the trash pickup, right? I think there was one in July or June. Whoops. Oh, I lost it completely. Okay, charity events. Okay, great. Let's do that June trash pickup. All right, and let's like the event. Sweet. Yeah, I do want to like. Yeah, I want to start like hosting stuff on here. Okay, great. So we have something. That's something to look at, right? My channel. What is this? The new follower. It begins complete. What does this mean? Oh, there you go. Sweet. Interesting. Yeah, I'm sure this helps you like get ranked higher. which we're gonna all look into later. Okay, so this one's like, okay, so this one's on hold, right? We're gonna make like a category here. Right, get items for background. I know we still need to work on that. I mean, I was thinking like maybe we can get like a collage of the t-shirts that we have. Like maybe like make like 9 different t-shirts. Or we can get a t-shirt and put 9 different. I like that. Okay, I like that. I'm thinking of an idea. We're just gonna do it, right? This is how we gotta do it. So, preferably probably printing on like a regular flyer. Where is that? Yeah, I know what we're gonna do. Okay, great. And then we're gonna get. What are we doing right now? Probably here. No. Yeah, this is probably fine. But then I should probably have. Yeah, I should have probably had one for each color. Okay, that's okay. Let's see. Why don't we get the white t-shirt? Or maybe like a gray. I want to try something. Whoops. Whoops. I'm losing my... There we go. Sweet. So... Yeah, we need to change the shirt color. I don't think it's going to allow me to do that, though. Pink. Oh, wait. Look, it's only changing the 9 yet. That's hilarious. What? It's not going to change. It changed the color of the milk. Ooh, the purple looks good. I'm a big fan of purple. No, we want to change the entire shirt color. So, what if we just look up shirt? Because I'm not going to make a whole thing for that. But I also like how real it is. Okay. Whoops. Hold on, we're cooking here. Let's get the... See, I wish it would show like the order you got it in. We have to make a story post too, actually. Is this the most recent one? Yep, I think so. So we're gonna remove that background. We're gonna keep that on deck. And what we're doing, I'm trying to find a t-shirt and like make like the 9 different colors, you know, like it's like another retro vibe thing. But I would like if we could just do it like this. So if I want to do that, I would probably have to create a new t-shirt and then I could probably blow it up a little bit, blow up the design. Or I could just make the milk carton. That's another thing too I could do. Maybe let's just do that instead. Maybe like not focus too much on the t-shirt. Right? And then we get like 9 of these boxes and they're all different colors. Like whatever this looks like. Oh god, these are terrible colors, but we'll make a color palette afterwards. Right? Just make this one blue maybe, and then this one would be purple. Yeah, there's a color palette for this, but for right now we're just putting it together. Right, we're gonna need that color palette. Let's go. What do you call that? It's gonna be like 9 elements color palette. Oh, that's how you spell palette? Okay. Come on, show what I want. Retro. Yeah, I know what you know I'm thinking. What is that design called where it's an image, then it's 3 by 3 and each is a different color. Ooh. It's gonna pull it up right for me. Let's see if I could be faster than ChatGPT. Yeah, okay, we're making progress. Yeah, look at pull up the exact same image. Yeah, okay, but like that's a little too loud, you know. Okay, can you give me a couple different color palettes? Yes, I meant images. Let's see. What are we thinking? This is better. I think I just need inspiration from this, honestly. This one's not too bad. You see how it's like... Yeah, that's actually not scary. Oh my god, that's scary. Right? Oof, okay, that's close enough. Okay. I mean, yeah, maybe it should... Maybe the milk carton should be a different color. I don't know. Maybe it should. Okay. Yeah, because what I'll do is I'll hang this up behind me just to get something right. I'm trying to like that's an easy thing I could make. Okay, great. We got the colors down, whether we like them or not, and then now we can get the milk carton in there. Yeah, you know, I think the milk carton does have to be like a different color, right? It would kind of look weird if it's just 9 different milk cartons, right? No, that's so funny. But we're making progress though. Right, what do we think about that? That's not too bad, right? We gotta make sure it's lined up. I think I mean, I don't know. Honestly, I could... This isn't too bad. Here, let's make it full size. I just think that it needs to be... Gosh, I have to make sure the grid's right. I just have to make sure that... Whoops. Yeah, I mean, I get it, right? That's kind of like the design we're going for, but it's not... I feel like the colors need to be more muted, like it needs a texture. Maybe we could do that here. Whoa. Yeah, I don't know about that. That's so funny. There is no reason, by the way, behind the milk. It's just because it is what it is. You know what? No, because I can't have ChatGPT do this or it's not going to come out the best way. Huh. Alright, so I need to change the milk cartons. So maybe I will just have ChatGPT edit 9 different milk cartons. Or you know, maybe I'll go like this. Huh. I know what I'll do. Wait, you know what? I don't want this one. We want this one. I don't know why it says Vistaprint font. Is that the right kind? Yeah, it is. Okay, so and then we'll download what we're trying to do. So I started making my own, but the milk cartons are not, or let's see what it does. Hopefully it's not like garbage. I mean, I can edit it myself, but I kind of want, like, I don't know, I just don't like the texture. Like that's better, but you know, maybe the texture's in the image. Maybe the image just needs more texture. And I know I just moved my mic around. That probably didn't sound good. That's so funny. Hey, we got 3 views on this. Sweet, man. It's just all about learning, right? This is gonna eventually grow. We just gotta learn how to do it. All right, ooh. Oh. Now the only problem, right? We just have to see, is it... That's actually so nice. Wait, go down like this. That actually looks really good. Now, are the milk... I mean, you're not going to be able to read the milk cartons, but, like, I don't want to have that, like, ChatGPT fake words in there. Oh, it's perfect. I think it's great. I'm not going to even complain. Now, that's not even going to be that big, but I don't think it needs to be that big. Mm-hmm. That looks really good. That's exactly what I wanted to do. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. So we'll print that and we'll put it on the wall, I think, just to see how it looks. Ha! That's so funny. I love it. Right? We took an idea and we recreated it in our own way. Wow, that looks really good. See, I think the carton gives it texture, right? It's missing the texture. You could see all the box in the background, but this makes it blended in. Perfect. So what we'll do is we'll print this out later for the next stream. Sweet, and that's another thing off the list. So I'm gonna have to start making a list. I don't even know how long I'm planning on streaming. I'm just doing things, right? Okay, whoops. Let's go there. Let's go there. Let's go there. So now, right, what is this? Oh, we were doing this. I completely forgot about that. We could do that later though. So we could delete these now. Yeah, we'll delete these now. And I just gotta print my milk carton. I think that's great. I think that's wonderful. Okay, so that's terrific. We'll just leave that over here for now. Alright, great. So let's go back to Earth here. We don't need this anymore. I don't know, ChatGPT looks different. I took off the sidebar. I think that's why. Great, so now I can go here and done. Just need a print. So I think we did this one right. We're still kind of figuring out what we're gonna do there. We're not gonna buy the mic setup now. And yeah, sweet. Let me see, make sure I got no notifications on here. Great, so 3 p.m. works for them, so that's awesome. Yeah, so I'll just send this email real quick. Gmail. I use Google Meets too for my meetings. I don't know if it's the most productive method, but it's just what I use. Perfect. Sounds great. Sounds great. Here is the meeting link. I look forward to meeting. So this is gonna be score. New meeting. Whoops, what is this person's name? Jen. You know what? Yeah, I'll pull up the score. There we go. Yeah, so I'm really just scheduling the meeting I have with the score client. We call him Janice. Go back. Janice is her name. I love learning about though the people's businesses. Like it really is. Like I mean I'm no like long-term professional. What, I'm 2 years into making 9yaps. Like I don't know everything, but what I do know is branding and marketing, right? Even like something simple as making here. Let's pull Barcal thing again. Even making something as simple as this, right? Like it just takes like it's just practice, right? It's nothing professional. Like I'm sure there's easier, better ways to do it, but yeah, like that's just part. Like this is something a business could use. Like I don't know, like if you have a maybe not milk. Let's just say you have a coffee shop, right? Boom. What we just did these past 2 streams is just an easy way to make a free little artwork for your business. So and it's just it's just fun. I enjoy it a lot. You do have to enjoy it though. If you don't enjoy it, yeah, if you don't enjoy doing all these random things, you're not gonna. Your business is yeah. I mean, you have to enjoy doing all these little things, right? I'm gonna blow my nose again. Jeez, man. Alright, anyway, so she said that Thursday works. So Thursday sounds great. I don't even know if Thursday was one of the days I gave, but no, I think it was. But that's fine. Is that what I said? What did I say? I think I said... Oh yeah, I said Thursday. Perfect. So Thursday works. Thursday sounds great. For 3 p.m. Usually go for about like, well, we'll give an hour for that first meeting. Sweet, and we'll send the meeting link. And that'll show up in my calendar later. Awesome. Yeah, so I was going to do this 40 under 40. I guess I still could. I don't know if this is going to be too time consuming. Not time consuming, but just like reading what I got to fill. Company affiliation. Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to fill all that out right now. I'll do that later. Don't want to do that necessarily on stream. I know I have to add some new businesses to 9yaps. Oh, LinkedIn, you could have multiple backgrounds. Yeah, I thought that was sick. I saw someone the other day had multiple backgrounds on LinkedIn. Whoops. You know what I should do? Maybe I should do this for... Why am I not spelling LinkedIn right? Hello? See, this is the talking and streaming at the same time. All right, so... Right, so yeah, we should put like timestamps on here. So maybe like we'll separate these. Right, we could do stream like 2. See, this is all about like feedback, right? Like if you guys think I should change something or do something a little bit differently, but this is like a nice timeline, right? So maybe if you want to like learn something from here, you got to go like this is like pending, right? You gotta you could look at this and you could see, maybe I should share this, right? And you could see like exactly where I because I have a website for this too, I think. Hold on, Nick at 9yaps.com. No, it's not found yet. I guess it's not locked. But anyway, so you can kind of like see like when it is, right? So let's go see, right? So LinkedIn, creating multiple LinkedIn banners. That's a good idea, right? And then we could put a timestamp. It's like, what are we in? Like 2 hours in, about? Maybe wait, I should put the exact time so you don't miss out on what I'm doing. Like something like that, right? And then now we can see if we've done it. Sweet, I like that idea a lot. Okay, so view profile. Now I don't know how to do this. Edit cover. Ooh, ha ha ha. What? You gotta have a premium plan for that? That's so funny. I mean, that is so unnecessary. You know what? That's fine. We're not even gonna do it then. That was the shortest. That was funny. Okay, so that's so funny. I don't know why you need that. All right. Well, I guess now we know that, right? Well, that was very quick. So I guess we'll just do. We'll need premium, right? I don't even know if we'll keep that. Whatever. We need premium subscription. That's so funny. Okay. Yeah, that's all stuff I can do tomorrow. That's hilarious. Yep, that's done with. Yeah, that might be it. Honestly, for today's stream, I have to figure out, yeah, see, like, it's really just finding about a schedule, right? Really, figuring out what we're gonna do. We could make another t-shirt, but I think we're gonna be good, right? We could optimize Twitch again. That is what I was gonna do, optimizing Twitch. Yeah, you know, we're gonna do that. So we're gonna put optimizing Twitch. So what we're gonna do, right? Okay, yeah, I like this idea. So we'll put that as like the 2 mark, right? And that's just what we're doing right now. Okay, even bold these. All right, so we gotta optimize this Twitch, right? I know nothing about Twitch, very little, I should say, very little about Twitch. We gotta optimize this channel. There's gotta be different things that we could do. Oh wait, am I on the channel? Oh my god, it looks crazy. Okay, like I think you could edit this watch now thing. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click around. We're gonna customize this channel, okay? Branding. Oh yeah, see, there's all different things we could do. Twitch theme. Ooh, okay. We want the 9yaps green. Oh, right. We could actually put a little thing that. Perfect. So we have a 9yaps green, which is actually trademarked, or it will be soon. It's like yeah, there we go. So we're gonna go like that. Yeah, sweet. Okay, that's awesome. All right, we'll make the 9yaps green. Profile picture is good for now. We don't have a schedule yet. We don't have any automatically featured channels from your suggested channels in your channel carousel when you're offline. I think we're good on that. Suggest channels priority. Yeah, I don't really know any channels. So that's fine for now. Alright, profile banner, whoa. Customize your channel home background. So what is that? Is that like this background here that we're looking at? Maybe we should, let's just click on someone random. Their stream, right? Maybe they have a background. Maybe, yeah, that's gonna be this background here. So what happens when we look at myself? Right, let's go onto my DuckDuckGo. And let's go to Twitch. And then let's look up Nick at 9yaps. That's gonna be, man, I don't know why it won't show. That's so weird. I don't know why. I hope this isn't happening for anyone else. But anyway, so forget that. So we're going to make it, though, either way. I don't care. So what do we need? We need 1200 by 480. Sure, we'll do that. 1200 by 480. I'm surprised I remember that. Okay. So, yeah, this is the background, right? We're going to get the 9yaps color in there. For now, what is that? What color? What is this color? We went D6, I think. Didn't we just put it? Ha! There we go. Now I think, no, what did it automatically do? It automatically picked that. I don't even mind that, but video player. I wish I could see where this was going. YouTube shows you to. This is displayed on the player when your channel is offline. I wish, like, I have never seen where. Maybe I gotta be offline for that, honestly. Like, it's gonna be this background. Maybe. I don't really know. Okay. You know what we're gonna do? Right, this is a ChatGPT question. So, where can I see the. What are we editing? Profile banner. Right. Hey, if anyone knows, if anyone joining knows this, please let me know. At the top of your channel page, if someone visits your profile. Okay. Well, you know what? Let's. Yeah, but DuckDuckGo didn't want to. Nobody wants to show me my channel, man. They just want to glitch out. See, I don't know why it's doing that. I wonder if this is doing it for anyone else. I hope not. It could be that I'm new. It could be a whole bunch of things. Yeah, that's so weird. You know what? Whatever. We're gonna make it. I think what we're gonna do, right? Because it automatically made this like Nick at 9yaps one. So I think what we're gonna do is we're just going to make that. All right, we did the milk carton. Logo's done. I like this a lot. I think the banner is great. We're gonna have to make a banner for this next one. So I think what we'll do is, whoops, we'll there we go. We'll take this. And then, yeah, I liked how it was lighter, right? That's easy to do. And then it should show, yep, just like that. Because that's kind of like what it did here. And then it just made like a bunch of them. I don't want to like, wait, I gotta start like this. I don't want it to look weird, but I don't even know where this is being seen. If someone, oh, yo, how are you doing? I'm doing great. So I'm doing good. I'm learning how to use Twitch. Honestly, I don't really know what I'm doing. Currently, I'm trying to create a profile banner, and I'm also creating a video player banner. But then I also have my profile accent color. So I don't even know what I'm creating right now, but because it shows me right now that I'm using Nick at 9yaps, and but I don't see that anywhere because when I try looking at my channel, it doesn't show up. So Ethan, I am I'm making one right now. I'm basically recreating this. Where'd it go? I'm recreating this because I'm assuming it's like a bunch of them put together, and I kind of actually like how it was offsetted. So that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. We all start somewhere. Yep, we do. Yeah, we do. But yeah, if you're new, which you are, because this is my first day of streaming, I basically run a little business called 9yaps, and we give discounts. To people in Tampa on our app. So businesses pay monthly to offer those discounts, and then we promote it on the app. So yeah, so I am streaming kind of my journey because I've been wanting to make content for a while, and I think this is the most time efficient way to do it. So look, I think this looks good, right? And then we could make it smaller just for now while I'm making some more. I've done this before with a lot. This actually used to be like my old background. Do you like streaming? I love streaming. So I think Twitch told me 9 years ago I did my first stream, just doing some gaming stuff. And like you know, that was just for like the fun of it. But I've always wanted to get into some other type of streaming, and well, I never thought for doing it for 9yaps, but then I got the idea, and I'm like, yeah, I would love to do it, because yeah, it's not like gaming content and stuff like that where it's like hyper interactive, but this is really for people who are just interested in business, or want to learn from it. I don't know, or who maybe want to get into it. Or maybe you don't like business at all, and I'm just entertaining enough, which I maybe I doubt that right now, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, this one needs to be moved over. I could be overdoing it here. Let's see. But I do like streaming. I mean, like, I already talk to myself enough. I'm an only child, so like I've always talked to myself in the past. So I love it. I think it's entertaining. It's been like 3.5 hours of this already, and I just time flew us by. All right, so I should be able to put this on like a little tilt, and it's gonna look great. Right? Maybe like that. That looks pretty good, I think. Just for a start. I really got the inspiration from this, but we're gonna see what it looks like. Sure, that's perfect as is, and then we're gonna do custom image, and we're gonna upload it. Success. Okay, great. I mean, that's at least customized, but I don't know where I don't know where I'm seeing this though. This is so funny. It would be nice if it was like these this background here, but I don't really know where I'm supposed to see it. Well, you know, maybe it'll show up, right? At least I'm creating stuff. Okay, so we'll save that. This is displayed on the player when your channel is offline. I'm going to assume that that is going to be this little thing right here. So if I'm assuming it's that, then maybe we'll just use the picture of me. Or maybe we should do the picture of 9yaps. Maybe it's too repetitive now. Yeah, maybe it's too repetitive. We could do the 9yaps one. Let's see. Yeah, let's just see what this looks like. I like small businesses and people putting in effort. It is cool that you are documenting the process. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm not going to document like everything. You know, I'm going to try to start at least on the weekends. Can I like... I don't even know. This makes no sense to me. I hope it looks good and I didn't just mess everything up. But I guess we won't know unless I'm offline. But yeah, like... yeah, I worked in the business for 4 years, and it was a lot of fun. And then I wanted to create my own eventually when the time was right. And I'm 2 years into it right now. And yeah, like I think documenting the progress is important. We are uploading them on YouTube too, because I guess Twitch only saves it for 7 days. I did not know that. So yeah, this is one we made today. But anyway, so I guess this is it. I won't know what these look like. I guess I won't know what these look like until I see it. But anyway, what else could I customize here? We got my schedule, featured content. I think we already went through this. We can customize the stream too now. Clip setting. Oh, here we go. Toggle on to request to join. Testing of auto clips, an AI supported tool that identifies engaging moments from your streams and helps you automatically create published clips. I mean, I'll join the waitlist, right? It doesn't hurt to do that. Enable clips, include categories. When clips are added, clips will not be created while streaming in these categories. Oh my. Sure, right? I don't think this really matters right now. Featured clips permission. Streamers... yeah, that's fine, right? I think this is all fine. This is not too much. Yep, okay. Alright, so I think now we really gotta... I mean, I don't know if I just want to keep clicking around or if we just want to ask ChatGPT. Because I know I'm not at the monetization standpoint. So let's see. So what, unless you guys have some suggestions, what do you think I should customize on my Twitch? Whoops. Twitch channel. See, YouTube's very straightforward. There's not really much to customize, but I know Twitch gets very, very complicated. All right, banner, yes. Yeah, panels. Oh, right. Okay, panels. Okay, let's just do panels first. Where can I customize panels? Yeah, I think, yeah, we could do like an about section. Where'd that go? Oh, wow, we really went down. Yeah, panels. Yeah, okay, we'll just check it out. All right, go to Twitch, go to channel, scroll down. Okay. Go to my, yeah, I'm gonna lose my train of thought here. Okay, click channel, right? That's gonna be here. And then scroll down under the video player. Toggle edit panels. All right. Social links. You should use Notion. It is good a tool. Okay, yeah, Notion for like something like this, I could definitely do that. That's actually probably a good idea. Like for my stream notes or stream timeline. Maybe notes. We'll add notes on there too. Yeah, I do know Notion. Yeah, I definitely could use it for this. That would actually be a good idea for this. I like that a lot. You know, we're gonna add that on the to-do. So we gotta make this. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. I wonder if I could make Notion public so people could see what I'm working on currently. We'll have to see. So we'll do to-do. To-do later, right? I need a to-do now because one of those is going to be what you just said. That's a good idea. Perfect. Yeah, Notion. That's great. Because I know I have a Notion account, but I got to make one for this. So, sweet. And this one didn't exist yet. Let's not put something that doesn't exist. All right. So we're looking at... I think ChatGPT is lying to me. Scroll down under the video player. Let's just look for a video player, I guess. If you have Discord, you can make a community and put the Notion link on there. Yep, good idea. Oh, okay, you know what? We should make a Discord. Yep, make Discord. Oh, gosh, I think I've only used Discord, so I'm not a tech guy. I know a lot about my business. I don't know anything about tech, but yeah, I definitely have to make a Discord. I've only joined Discords before. So that sounds great. Thank you for the advice. But right now, we really got to find this edit panels. I don't think... Oh, here we go. Is this all it is? Is ChatGPT just naming panels? Stream, title, style... Alerts and sounds, chat commands, starting soon screen. Yeah, we kind of sort of have a coming back screen. You know what? We're just gonna click around. If you have an idea where should I click around, let's do it. So alerts. We don't need alerts. We don't need analytics. I just feel like there's like really bland settings. I mean, like that's fine, but I swear. There is more here. Fewer rewards, power-ups, and channel points. Yeah, I really like the whole aspect of giving points because in my little stream manager, I can give I could do like points and polls. And thank you for the follow, Ethan, too. Yeah, I know. ChatGPT does like to lie. It's called something. Not daydreaming. I don't know. It does something where, yeah, it does just kind of lie about it. Especially when, like, you want to try to find something. Like, when you're saying, okay, I'm in Twitch. What could I customize? Because I know here, you know, let's just take it back real quick. We could even look at what other people have done, too. Like, if we can just, here, we'll go back to this guy. I don't even know what this guy does. But, like, oh, business email. I guess I could put a contact. That's actually not a bad idea. Why don't we do that? I mean, that's something... Yeah, you know, I don't know if you've used Claude before, but I haven't been convinced enough to use Claude. Like, see, I don't code, and I think a lot of people are saying that Claude is good for that. Yeah, so I think this guy just had, like... No, not the stream. We need to go to the channel part, right? Customize channel. Yeah, here we go. I'm back where I was before. That's so funny. Yeah, here we go. Contact, right? I mean, I don't know if there's a space for this. Oh, okay, great. So you're saying, yeah, see that's the customizations that I'm thinking about. Make it so when someone follows you, it makes a noise. Am I going to hear that noise too? Because I want to hear that noise. All right, let's put my contact on here first. Right, okay, let's save that. Yes, so I think I did see something about that. Is this the same settings? No, okay. So there was, like, alerts. Create alert bot. Oh my god. See, one thing I gotta say about Twitch, there's a lot of visuals here. Like, there's a lot to soak in here. Okay, yeah, this is exactly what you're talking about. So... I wish I could change this. Because, like, I have really good branding with the 9 apps. Oh, let's go Tor it. Copy the browser source. All right, each alert bot has its own browser source URL. Copy the URL, then you could add it as a browser source in your streaming software. I don't know what I don't know what that means, but okay. Variants. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Twitch is definitely made for like it's kind of like what's the platform I'm thinking about? It's made for like coders is basically what I'm trying to say. All right, good. So like you could switch them around. General settings. Oh, here we go. New follower. 10 seconds. Do we really want to make it go for 10 seconds? We'll make it go for 10 seconds. We're gonna appreciate every new follower I get. Okay, so this is. I want to change the art. Can we change the art first, or maybe you can't change the art? Maybe I. That's actually so funny. Maybe I. Oh, here we go. Here's the browser source. I don't know if I'm supposed to share that, but... Oh, layout. Okay. Visuals and sounds. Yeah, verified phone number. I think I got a verified phone number. You could figure it out. I believe in you. Thank you, man. I'm gonna I'm gonna figure it out. Cause there's a lot here. I mean, like, this is very... Okay, right. This is false. This is just for follows. There's a lot to soak in here. I mean, like... What if we just made what is this like I don't know if this is even like set, you know what I'm saying, like if it's set or not. Go back to alerts home. New ways to get recognized. Okay, we have an alert box. So if anybody out there wants to give a follow, right, we're gonna see if it'll make like a sound. We'll even turn off the sound here and we'll see if it makes a noise for me or for you. Oh wait, maybe I need to have my volume up. Alert box. Okay, wow, now it's gonna be really quiet. I need someone to... Yeah, I gotta follow. It seems like... Ethan, are you trying to, like, follow and then unfollow? Is that... I don't know. Yeah, 9 minutes ago. Alright, we might have to call in some support here from the ChatGPT. Okay, let's edit this one. Edit alerts. Okay. New follower. I don't mind the heart. Would I like to customize it? Yes. What does this mean? Randomize. 2 variants must have the same condition to enable randomization. Okay. Tyler just followed. No, that's going to be just the message here. Send test alert. Preview alert. Send test alert. Are you guys getting alerts? This is so funny. I'm gonna need to watch like a YouTube tutorial for this. Bits. I gotta figure out what a bit is. I think bits is like the currency. That's so funny. You should ask ChatGPT. It is kind of smart. Okay, we'll ask ChatGPT. So maybe I'll take a screenshot. Okay, we can make a new chat here. So okay, I'm making custom sounds for my stream. How do I change the image? I really want to change the image. How do I change the image? Because I can make a really nice image. You already have the correct alert selected. I know. Click visuals and sounds on the right sidebar. All right, let's minimize some of these. Okay. Visuals and sounds. Okay. Oh, here we go. Oh, yes. Okay, so what should the image size be? But then it's not going to be a GIF, though. Is that going to matter? Yeah, because it's not gonna be a GIF. I don't want it to just be sitting up there. Maybe I could download a GIF. Okay, hold on. Free GIFs. Yeah, there we go. Let's get a GIF. Let's get something unique, I guess, right? Oh my. Oh my. Yeah, because the heart is the heart is nice. I mean, we could just leave the heart for now. I just wish I could know where to see it. Okay, where can I? Yeah, do I see this alert? Do I see this alert, or just the viewers? We don't worry about spelling here. Both. You see it on my. You see in the OBS preview. Oh, okay. Your actual Twitch stream. Twitch viewers could see it. So then I should be able to see it. So I should be able to see it in the stream manager then. Curry shooting at 3. Wait, you saw it? That's funny. Yeah, okay. All right, we could do that. Let's just look up. Oh wait, free gifts. All right. How about LeBron? Is that okay? That's funny. Yeah, maybe we can. I mean, that's... Is it going to play that, though, for 10 seconds? Maybe that'll be a little too much. Okay. Yeah, maybe we want to... Oh, I got to log in to see more. Oh, come on. I guess we'll just use that. Was that good enough for you, Pinterest? Okay. Now we gotta... Oh, no. Okay, we gotta type it in again. Free GIF basketball. Alright, we'll just do that one for now. Oh, come on. It was all good. Let's go back. Yeah, there we go. I don't know why they're all different now, but that's okay. I think it needs to be square. No, I don't think it matters. Let's see. That looks nice. But I like the one we had before. Oh man, I really like the one that we had before. It's not a 3-pointer though, but that's okay. That's the one we had before. Alright, we'll do that. Let's just download it first. Can we even download this one? No, because it's not... Oh yeah, here we go. Download image. It is a GIF. Alright, sweet. So we got it. That's so funny. See, I have to make these for 9 yaps. Alright, let's do it. So let's go here. Let's go to my alerts. Let's upload a file. And let's see if this one's good. Let's see if it'll even work. I don't even know what the sound is. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, we like this. That's pretty good. Now, I think we've got to change the duration, because if we make the duration 10 seconds, that might be a little too much. Maybe we'll just make it 5. Right, we'll make it 5. And then we should be able to see it on stream. So you know what? I bet I'll see it after after the stream, I guess. We don't even care about the sound. But there we go. We got that. We'll just leave it like that, right? That's good enough. Now, let's see what we got. So I just wish I could, like, see it and hear it better. Because I got OBS up, right? But that's kind of small. Like, I got OBS... Oh, I have to minimize my screen. Right? We got OBS set up. But, like, you see how small that's going to be? And then we got this... I have, like, another screen up here. Oops, where am I going? There we go. Another screen up here. You know what? I think that's good. I think I should be able to see it. Let's keep going. So we got follows. I think that's really all I'm going to get right now, right? Follow, subscribes, hype trains. Yeah, I mean, I think that's great, right? Let's look at layout. No, I think that's good. Text and speech. Yeah, we got to make it the 9 yaps color. I should write this down, what the 9 yaps color is, so I don't have to keep doing this. It's actually D6. There we go. You know what, let's write that down. Let's just put it here for now. You know what, let's put it in the timeline for now. Sure. Nope. Try to figure it out because I want to follow with the sound, you know? Yeah, so when you followed, did the GIF come up or no? Because it might not if you've already done it. Like on my end, it just sees I have 1 follower. Which we got Kaylee in there, which is awesome. All right, we'll put a sound. The sound matters. All right, we'll put the sound. Let me get the color going. Wait, that might be too light. You know what? We'll go like this. We'll keep the Twitch. Oh, I can't go back. Okay, well, we just lost it. Yeah, that's fine. All right, let's work on sound then. I don't know why it didn't. You know, that's okay. We'll just leave it like that. And then what we'll do is visuals and sound. Alert sound. Oh, wait. No, it's not a good sound. All right, we got to go to free sounds now. Free. What's like a good sound? What sound do you want? I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Like, maybe it should be like a... Maybe the money sound? Okay. Yeah, we could do that. All right, let's do it. So let's go, I think I could really just do... I don't think I have to look this up, but we're just gonna... Oh, no. See, I don't have to create a free account. Let's go to money. I might just record it on my phone and then I'll upload it. Yeah, the money sound. I know exactly what you're saying. It's actually making coins. Hold on. That's hilarious. What about cash register, right? This is so funny. Ooh, what about that? Can you even hear that? Yeah, cha-ching, right? No, I think that... Yeah, that first one's good. All right, let's download it. Oh, we got to create a free account. All right, make it easy for me. Steal my information. All right, there we go. Now it's going to bring me right back to what we want, right? I don't know what I just clicked. Oh, God. Oh, God. What did I do? This is why I might just steal it. I might just put it on my phone. It's already free, right? What the heck is this? Ooh, yeah. No, come on. Let me go back. That's crazy. Okay. See, why is it a whole different platform now? That can't be real. That literally can't be real. How do we... I'm going to steal the sound. I'm going to end up recording it on my phone or something. Alright, at least I'm logged in now. Hold on. Now we could... This is crazy. Okay, so cash register. Yep, sounds good. Alright, you'll follow me when I figure it out. I got the pressure. Dude, there's no way. Music, sound effects. Here we go. Come on. Register. That's so funny. There we go. Now I could download it. Down now with the free trial. Oh, no. Oh, no. We're going to steal it. All right, let me text myself this link. And then we're going to steal it. Because I don't know any other way to do it. Yep, perfect. I can't believe it wouldn't let me download it. That's okay, though. We're going to do it on my phone, and we're going to get it going. Put the music back on. That's so funny. Okay. All right, accept the cookies. All right, cash register. Oh, yeah. Wow, it's like a whole like mechanism. It sounds like they're like reloading the cash register. Okay, perfect. This is what I do a lot. See, like, I'm not the tech guy, but what I will do is I will find a way to do it. Oh wow, we're downloading a lot of things here now. Okay, let's go to iMovie now. We'll have it done in just a minute now, which is good. All right, we got the video from today. Okay, let's get rid of this sound effect thing. Let's not give them free publicity here. I like this GIF website. That's just Pinterest. That's easy to do. I'm sure I'll customize this in our time, but at least I'm learning, which is great. Oh, I got a message from someone. held a message for a reason. In your bio, you should put your Gmail so I can email you. You seem like a cool guy. All right, I hit allow on that message. Yeah, I put the email in the bio, in the Twitch bio, so we should be good. Okay, let's go here. Let's go. I use iMovie because I think it's just easy to use. Okay, now we can go detach audio. Actually, no, I don't think I could detach the audio. Whoops, where'd we go? I think that's good. I mean, we're just going to leave it like that, right? I think that's good enough. Right? All right, and then I think I could download as just audio only. I don't know what any of this means. I think MP3 sounds better. I mean, that sounds better, but it's just the standard, right? Maybe. Okay, and then we'll go... What music do you like? I like all music, really. I mean, I like house. Like, we're listening to some random playlist here. It's just like nice beats, but like house music is always good. Definitely. Just because like you could do so much with it, I think. Like, yeah, I think that's a good way to put it. Learning is important. Everyone has to learn. Yeah, especially in business. All right, what do we got? Yeah, come on, that's gotta be perfect. All right, I wouldn't do it now, right? I would wait maybe a little bit. Let's refresh. Let's go to edit alerts, right? I think that's perfect. Preview alert. Oh, maybe we should time it up completely with that. No, I think that's okay. Okay, that's perfect. So now let's send a test alert. Maybe I should... I didn't get anything. You want to try the follow? We could try the follow to see if it works. I don't know if it's going to work. You got a song, All Falls Down. Nice. I might have heard it before. I have no idea. Kanye West. I know that he's actually doing a concert in Tampa, where I'm at right now. See, I should be able to do like preview alert. Oh wait, no, send test alert. I have no idea. You could try. See if it'll work. I'll Oh, here we go. So I saw that you followed, but it didn't. Or I saw someone followed, but I don't see. Yeah. I think because you already followed it. Yeah, I think it's because you already followed that it's not gonna work. Because like for me, when I look at my notifications, it says that you followed 24 minutes ago. So what we'll do is we'll wait for the next person to come on, and we're gonna pressure them to to follow, so we can see if our sound worked. That's so funny. You know, I bet I could probably make my own account and try it too. But we'll wait for the next person to come. But all right, well we got it set up, right? We got the new follower set up. I don't think. Add a celebration to jazz up your alerts. Ooh, I don't know. Those fireworks are kind of lame. Flamethrower. Oh my god, that's crazy. Rain? What about raining? No, you know what? I don't think we need that. I think this is good. So we're going to save those changes. Oh, look, we got someone on. Hey, if that other person wants to follow, I think we just set up this alert. So when someone follows me, it should go off. Oh, and then Ethan, I don't know if like what do you think about the sound right now? I just set up the sounds, like the music in the background, a little while ago, and then what else did I do? And then yeah, I had to adjust it. So I hope it sounds good. I think it does. But anyway, so we created an alert, right? We let's try to let me try to remember, right? And then we were checking out other channels to see what else they did, because I know there's like a lot you could do, right? Well, we'll click on this guy again. We seem to keep highlighting this one, but like I know he had the like there's a man, that's it. I feel like it's slacking. What should we do next? I'm gonna figure it out. What I like to do, I like to see what other people are doing, and then like kind of like, you know, do my own thing about it. Cause like right now we got the about, right? I wish you could actually change that. Let's open up one more tab. I wish like you could put like lower down, like put a space in. See how that's kind of weird? And then this guy, no, he just has business email. That's it? This guy has 10 million followers and that's all he has? Is that? All right, that's all right. But anyway, we need to go to the channel anyway, and we need to, yeah, see, like, you can't, no, I think we'll just leave it like that. Whoops, too much. I think we'll just put a space after it. Save changes, and then let's see what that looks like. Yeah, I mean, that's fine. If I can't move it down, I guess we'll just leave it like that. Okay, anyway, so clips, video, schedule. Yeah, I gotta eventually make a schedule, but we're not ready. That's funny. Yeah, I swear, like, maybe it's while someone's streaming, right? Hold on, maybe it's like during the stream. Let's refresh. I don't even know who we're promoting here, but that's okay. Yeah, I swear, see, when I really actually do remember streaming like 9 years ago. I remember like there was so much to customize. Like even over here, like it would show how many people are viewing the stream, but then it would show like how many people have viewed your stream like all the time. All right, you said check out a stream. Let me see if I can copy that. Okay, it won't let me copy it. I'll just look it up. All right, check out this guy's stream. One more astronaut. Look at that. What does this guy do? Oh, it's an ad. Yeah, these ads are crazy. I'm gonna have to. Oh, see, this is what we're talking about. I know there is like this. So we gotta figure out what this is called. See, there's like goals. Oh, let's set a goal. How about that? Let's set a goal. How do I set a goal? How do I set a goal on Twitch to show on my screen? I would like to set a goal because he has a follower noise and unfollow. Oh, okay, see, because he has a follower noise. Okay, we could check out his follower noise. I could definitely do that. Let's see. So I gotta join his stream, but we gotta get through this ad. I wonder if I could just scroll up here if it'll still play. Yeah, it will. Yeah, we can do Discord next too. We have a to-do list. We got the Notion, we got the Discord. Oh, you could put a regular link on here too. Maybe I should do that. Put 9yaps.com. I could do that right here. Add a link. All right, link title. So we'll just put, because I don't want to say download 9yaps because like not everyone's gonna be from Tampa, but I'll just put 9yaps and I'll put our website, and then we're gonna check out that guy's follower noise. Sweet, that's nice. We'll put that on there. Right, and then we'll show 9yaps. Perfect. All right, let's check out this guy's. Dang! Oh, is this another ad? No, is this actually him? Couldn't tell you what we're looking at here. I don't know what I'm looking at here. Is this his stream or is this just like a thing that he's playing? Oh my. I don't know. Oh, it's a montage. So is it not him being, so if I follow, is it going to show up right now? Should we just try it out? Let's just try it out. What just happened? Oh, are they raiding someone else's channel? Wow, I have no idea what's going on right now. But you know what? We will check that out. Let's maybe we should go like to like a smaller creator, right? Let's go uh-oh. Okay. Well, we don't want to be too crazy here. And we lost it. All right, you know what? That's fine. We will we will figure it out. No worries. All right. Anyway, so okay, in Twitch, go to viewer rewards. Okay, I could do that. I've seen that before. Viewer rewards. There we go. Stream together. Yeah, I mean, I don't mind this dashboard. I just feel like, here, let's put the music back on. I just feel like it, I don't know, like it's in dark mode. I mean, I don't mind dark mode, but it just like for instance, I just hit this like viewer rewards. It almost seems like streaming together is in that drop down. I guess it doesn't because it has like that. But anyway, viewer rewards, and then goals. I don't see goals, Ethan. I think ChatGPT is pulling my leg here. What the heck? Create an event. What? Can I search this? Oh my gosh. Here we go. Here we go. One more subs to go. Subs are going to be followers, right? Bits. Followers. No. I think subbing you got to pay, right? We'll just do follower goal. 10. Let's do 10. That sounds great. Auto goal. Automatically level up. Yes. Set up goal alerts. Ooh, yes. We know how to do that now. Okay. Description. Browser source. Okay, so we need a description. I don't even... Why is your business just in Tampa? It would make more money. Yeah, so... Great question. So the reason why it's not all over is that it takes a lot of time to to do that. So yeah, we provide discounts to people on our app in Tampa. But in order to make that happen, we have to make relationships with these businesses, and then to make it a long-standing company, we got to charge those businesses. So that process alone takes a long time. And yeah, eventually we will take it to that level. I'm currently building my own board of advisors, which is just people that are experienced in maybe the profession that you're doing or skill that you need. And we're all going to say, hey, listen, how do we take 9yaps outside of Tampa Bay, in the next year? So, yeah, it takes a long time building relationships with the businesses. Follower goal, right? I think we've seen people, maybe someday we'll be a big business. Yeah, that's the goal. That's the goal, and the journey is all going to be here. So, yeah, I think now that I'm like 2 years in the business, I think I know exactly what I could stream, what I could share, and all that stuff. Yeah, we're going to get there. All right, so description. I don't know. Follow to see the journey. Follow. Oh, wait. Does it already give you one? Follow or go. Follow. I think I say something specifically. Yeah, follow to see. I don't know. I feel like that's so like cliche, right? Journey. Let's see what ChatGPT can make this sound better. Can you make this? All right. Follow along as we build 9yaps. Follow the 9yaps journey. Follow to build with us. Follow along. Yeah, you know what? Follow along as we build 9yaps. Sure. I like that. Alright, so customize progression bar. Oh, we gotta do like the 9yaps green. But that might take away from it actually from the 9yaps if it's not exact. So we'll just make it this color for now. No, that doesn't stand out enough. We'll make it red. Oh, yeah. We'll make it red. Okay, perfect. Let's just start the goal. Where did it go? I'm so confused. Okay, but we should be able to refresh this. Hey, look at that. Follow along as we build 9yaps. How old are you? Because you look young. Don't worry. I'm 22. Yeah, I'm 22, and I started 9yaps 2 years ago. So that's funny. All right, look, but we got a goal now. Yeah, I'm 22. Yeah, I'm 22. All right, we got to figure out, okay, we created a goal. We got to figure out what subscriptions and bits are. Okay. I know what a follower is, but what is a bit and sub? Yes. So yeah, I know. We're not going to charge anyone for anything for like a subscriber, and bits are tipping currency. So I think that's great. We're not even going to do anything with bits and all that stuff. You know what's funny? I think someone actually gave me bits, and I just don't know. I don't even know where to see that. So we're not going to look at that for right now. Yeah, honestly, entrepreneurship is amazing. I mean, obviously, if you follow along, you'll kind of see the journey. But it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. There's a funny saying where people say you work like 10. What is it? It's like you work like 10 to like 12. How is it? It's like 10 to 6 to escape the 9 to 5. No, that's not right. Something like that. Like if you say you work whatever. It's like you work 12 to 12 to avoid the 9 to 5, something like that. But entrepreneurship is amazing because, yeah, you get to work for yourself. Um, yeah, you get to work for yourself. You get to build your own company. I like doing stuff like this. Like, even though it might seem like I'm just kind of fooling around, it's productive. This is growing my personal branding, but also growing 9yaps. But anyway, so we're still figuring out things. What are we figuring out right now? We made a goal, and what else do we need to do? We made a goal. We don't need to make a bit goal. We don't need to make any other goals, right? We could actually see if I have bits, right? Bits and cheering. Minimum bit to cheer. Yep. Minimum bits to pin a cheer. Yeah, that's fine. Bits and tiers. Viewers at the tier. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Wow, 5 million bits. That's $500,000. That's insane. No, wait, that's $50,000. That's crazy. I'm going to follow, so turn down the music for a second. Yep, sounds good. We got the music down. If the music is too loud, I could turn it down. But anyway, so let's go back to that guy that had his channel. I think you might have given me the name of it, or I just clicked on it. I don't remember who the last guy we were looking at. Oh yeah, that's right. This guy. He had. I think you have to go. Yeah, here we go. So 1K follower goal, and then yeah. Let me know if you get that noise. I think I heard some noise, but that might have just been this. Okay, so we need to start adding some stuff here. This kind of looks weird, but I do remember this from before. Yeah, I just don't know how to add all this stuff underneath. Videos, clips. Yeah, I know that's all. Yeah, I don't know if you're able to hear the sound, but yeah, if anyone wants to follow, we could see if the sound comes on. I'm sure I'll look back in the recording, and we'll see if it shows up or not. But basically, we're trying to optimize my Twitch, and we're trying to learn from other people. All right, I'm gonna put the music back on. I don't know if you heard a sound, but I don't know if I heard anything. Okay, so yeah, we gotta see how to customize this stuff. So, streamers have like a section. Customize it. Okay, yep. Edit panels. Yeah, ChatGPT keeps wanting me to go to edit panels. Oh, go to your Twitch channel and go to about. Uh-oh. Oh, maybe I just. Oh my gosh. Wow, we figured something out. Okay, great. Wow. Okay. This is great. So we figured something out. Add a sweet countdown timer to let streamers know when you're going live next. Yeah, okay. Allow users to purchase merchandise from your store directly. Yeah, I mean, that's just like, I feel like I hear myself on here. I am, because I'm on here. Huh. Yeah, I keep hearing myself on here. Hold on, we gotta. Wait, here, let's just close this out. Okay, so we'll go to this guy's and we'll see what his sound is. There we go. Let's turn the music off. Alright, we're gonna see if we hear this sound. Let's turn the music off. Alright, we're gonna see if we hear this sound. I don't know why I keep hearing myself on here. I think it's because of this. We gotta watch an ad too. Maybe I should just get the free trial for that. You know, let's go we should go ad free after this. You could ask him. Yeah, I could. That is something we have to do. Yes, we do have to go on other people's channels and ask them different questions. That is something like to get yeah. You know what, let's pause this for now. We should go oh wow. Go ad free real quick. Oh, is it gonna ask for my payment? Ooh, yeah, okay, here, let me do this real quick. Oh, but that's gonna charge afterwards. Alright, you know what, I'll do that next. Let me add that to my personal to-do lists. And go ad free. Go ad free. Sweet. Yeah, we're not gonna do that right now. Okay, great. So he has a sound. Wow, Wow, he's got everything going on here. All right, ready? Let's go. Ready? Um, okay, well, I don't know if I heard a sound, but that guy is talking crazy. So, all right, that's fine. We will eventually figure it out. We're gonna get enough followers eventually to hear some sounds. But anyway, so I figured out at least something down here. Um, we can mess around with this stuff. Emotes showcase. No, oh, there's a bunch of stuff here. All right, let viewers exchange bits to become a feature viewer for a limited time. Okay, allow. Okay, we're gonna try to activate this stuff, but I don't know if I want to. I would rather link my existing store or whatever that I have. This is so interesting. Remove extension panel. Is extension manager. Okay, discovery. Here we go. Oh, okay, great. You know what? Let's ask ChatGPT real quick. What types of extensions would best fit me for the stream? Stream elements. Stream elements. Okay. Is this not where I search it? No, it's not. Okay. Oh, here we go. Oh, I remember this. Wow, I remember doing this such a long time ago. I think that's why I'm so passionate about this streaming, because I remember doing this. It was a lot of fun just figuring things out. All right, let's install it. Yep, let's activate it. Set as panel 1, add as new panel. I don't know, do I want to do that? We'll do a new panel. Okay. We should be able to go back to the channel now. And yay, look at that, we got 2. Oh my. Oh my, oh my. What did we do? What did we do here? Okay. Huh. Oh, I remember this. Look, I have to go like this. Wow, I remember this. I have to download Stream Elements first. Okay, we need to make an account. All right. Oh, gosh. Okay. All right, we're just going to authorize all that. Oh, yeah. This is what I was missing. I remember, and I remember, and I remember this completely. I mean, I don't care about tips, though. I would rather just do, like, I don't know, we're going to figure it out. Oh, God. No, I'm not doing that right now. Here, let's just X out there for now. Okay. Whew. All right, Ethan, are you ready to learn a whole new panel? Oh my god. All right, let's remove this for now. Let's remove this one for now. Oh, I'm getting dehydrated over here. Okay. Oh, I remember this. Okay, streaming tools. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Wow. You know what, let's put the music back on. I don't know where that happened. A little loud. Okay. I don't want to earn. I just want to reward my followers. This is where I'm probably going to have to, oh, jeez. I don't even know. Oh, my. I don't know what I'm doing. I should have probably done the tour, huh? Wow, there's a lot going on here. I think we're gonna wait on this one. This is gonna require like videos and stuff like that, which is fine, but I don't know if I'll do that right now. There's campaigns, overlays, loyalty, leaderboard, public leaderboard. Hey, look, 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 this is that background. Maybe this is the background I made. Hey, you want some points? You want some points, Ethan? I can give you points. I don't know what to do here, though. All time, watch time, stream store, giveaways. Yeah, I mean, what does this mean? Interval in minutes? Is this giving points? Follower bonus? Okay, let's make this like currency name. Points. You know what we could do? We could do yaps. That's funny. No, we'll just do points. Yeah, we'll do, you get 5 points every 10 minutes you watch. What if you just got like 5 points for 5 minutes? Right? And then you can calculate how much time you've done. Okay. Follower bonus. If you follow, let's give 50 points for that. Tip. Well, if anyone really does that, we'll give them 100 points, right? Bonus points for cheering. Multiplied by the tip amount. Okay, we gotta be careful we don't oversaturate this. Oh gosh. Okay, ignored users. Yep, me and yeah. Okay, so you get 50 followers. You get 5 points. Or you get a point every minute. We'll do 100 for following. I just don't know what that means though. We'll just put 10, right? Raid bonus points for raids. We'll just do 10, right? Okay, and then we could do save. Great. So now what I need to do on here now is I need to add wow. Oh, here we go. Set as panel 1. I couldn't tell you what I'm doing right now, but we're going to figure it out. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Sweet, man. Okay, so you get 10 points every... No, we should probably do 100. 100 points every... Oh, here we go. I think that should be fine. Right, and then now we could... Mm-hmm. 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 Sweet. I like this a lot. Well, Ethan, if you're still watching, we figured out a lot of stuff. Alright, well, I'm going to take a 5-minute break. So we are going to... We're going to go like this. I really do like this music. It's really inspirational, I guess. Not inspirational, it's just great. Alright, ooh gosh. Watching all these ads, man. Okay. Alright, great. So we're going to put that there. Okay, so yeah, we got the leaderboard. So this is actually really cool. I think this is a lot easier than it was when I did it 9 years ago. But we have the leaderboard now. So now you get points for different things. This is great. You know, so I think we'll do a stream timeline, right? Optimizing Twitch, and we'll say stream elements. I guess I should have done this a while ago. Elements leaderboard, right? And that's going to be, it ends at like, oh wow, almost 3 hours. Jeez. Okay, sweet. Okay, yeah, we still have to make a Notion and a Discord. Okay, so oh my. I really do like this leaderboard thing. I think that's so cool. Alright, loyalty settings. We got the leaderboard. We got the stream store. So I wonder if you could... This is so cool. I like this a lot. Alright, well, we're going to take a 5-minute break, and I will be back. But I think we're making a lot of progress here. Alright, I think we're back. I don't even know. Let's X out of this. So, yeah, I think we're good. I think this is going to be it for this stream. I know maybe we just had, like, a little, like, ongoing, quietness, but that's okay. Yeah, I think we did a lot. So, what did we do today? So we made our background image, right? We got our awesome, milk jugs. That is so funny. And then yeah, we looked at some events. We found out that we cannot make a LinkedIn banner because you need premium to have multiple. And then we started optimizing Twitch the last hour and 15. So I think that's gonna be good. Here, I'll come in the screen now. There we go. Well, that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching. I would love any feedback, and we have a lot to do in the next one.